again Charlie Mike Tango, IFR 5000 feet, direct to water.
Dear Charlie Uniform.
Yes, we start off descending into low level environment off of Kerry Head. We will be spending about an hour low level. Echo in the Italian.
Roger, that copy. Just remain clear of the Kerry's altitude at 3,000 feet, QNH 1021.
1021 and 3,000 feet. We will get Foxtrot Delta 406.
Jet 1793, we are ready for flight.
1793 ground, taxi.
So, I thought you might be a bit high to tighten up with a vector.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, cleared for the approach then. Cleared ILS, runway 24, you can advise when established.
Call you when established, Delta 406.
Information again Charlie Mike Tango, request frequency change 129.85.
Charlie Mike Tango, that's approved, sorry.
85, Echo Mike Tango.
Fine, I'll talk to you later.
And expect to get on to taxiway Charlie.
Down to Charlie, rescue 11.
1793, hold short runway 24, the airport police are firing some flares on the runway at the moment. You can contact me on the tower frequency 118.7.
Holding short and
3, Roger. If you just hold short for the moment, I have traffic inbound at 15 miles. They also have the airport police on the runway. So I'll just get them to confirm that the path is clear for activity.
Okay. Established.
Delta 406, thank you. You got about 14 miles to touchdown. Contact tower 118.7.
18.7, Delta 406, good day.
We'll navigate on to Charlie, rescue 11.
Rescue 11, I'm going to line dash traffic up now on the runway.
11 traffic.
Air cargo jet 17903, enter line up runway 24.
up 24, Trigger Jet 1793.
406 with you on the ILS, runway 24.
Delta 406, tower good day. Continue approach runway 24, your number 1. Have one item of traffic lining up to depart and report the outer marker at the start.
Go ahead, sir.
Request VOR approach runway 25 and Cork if possible.
You stand by, we'll talk to Cork.
Thank you.
06, tower disregard the outer marker check. The surface wind check 230 degrees 4 knots.
Control T30 back to listen, 5826.
Good cargo jet 1793 heavy, over leveling to 5,000.
Alright, Juliet, Tango 1793, Shannon, good day, identified redirect to Mallet, climb flight level 280.
Direct to Mallet, confirm and climb 280.
Confirm to direct to Mallet.
Direct to Mallet, climbing 280. Proceed, slow back 3675.
Good morning, Madam 103. Identified number 220, Jerry, Maiden, Echo.
9103, Shannon, good day, identified, turn right 10 degrees, please.
Right 10, you heading 307, Madam 103.
And Rhino 103 back to 250 or less, please.
Madam 103.
6, continue climb flight level 250.
Control T5, so run 806.
21 Mike Shannon, continue present heading, traffic descending through your level.
Press heading, so 21 Mike.
Rhino 103, Shannon, descend to flight level 900.
Then flight level 9 is there, Madam 103.
Sales are brilliant. Required rescue 11.
Delta 406, tower, you're on the ground time 56, gate left, taxi Alpha, and parking stand 34.
King again, so about 1 Mike.
Good morning. Golf Juliet Lima Hotel Sierra with you, sporting 2610.
Golf Juliet Lima Hotel Sierra, Sharon information, hello to you. Sharon regional connection 1021 hectopascals, no. Golf Juliet Lima Hotel Sierra, Sharon information, thank you. Confirm estimate Bamba.
Bamba at 22.
Roger. 103.
Roger.